In this video, I will quickly show you how to use Airtable for project management in an organized way. First, go to the Airtable website and create a free account. After logging in, click Create Base to create a new project workspace. Now, choose a project management template or start with a blank base. Inside the base, you can create columns to organize information such as task name, assignee, deadline, and status. Next, click Add Record to add a new task to your project. You can customize fields using options such as text, date, status selection, and file attachments. A useful tip is creating a status field with options like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Airtable also allows you to view tasks in different formats, such as table, calendar, or kanban view. This helps you track project progress and identify pending tasks. You can also share the project with others to collaborate in real time. Always keep tasks updated to maintain a clear overview of the work progress. And that's it. Now you know how to use Airtable for project management. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.